once again. So, natapos na natin yung lesson number 1. Natapos ko nang i-discuss yung mga topics under lesson number 1, which is yung generating business idea. So, now, I will be explaining the different activities under lesson 1. So, para guided tayo. Take notes, sa NTREP ay kailangan muna nating isulat sa intermediate pad paper ang mga sagot natin. And by next time na magbigay ko ng module, I'll be giving answer sheets para doon na lang kayo magsasagot. Okay po? So, for lesson number 1, again, generating business ideas. So, activities explain. So, what are those activities you need to answer? First is the pretest. So, you need to answer this pretest. So, dito, itong part na ito, kailangan na isulat pa sa isang papel. So, ang gagawin nyo lang naman ay i-check nyo yung mga item na yan kung strength nyo ba or needs to be developed. Kumbaga, strength and weakness. Let's say, for example, ako ba ay hardworking? Is that my strength or my weakness or needs to be developed? So, kung strength ko yan, check ko yung hardworking under siya ng strength. Okay po. The same thing with self-confidence, builds for the future. So, these are the personal entrepreneurial competencies of an entrepreneur. So, yan yung kailangan na characteristic ng isang entrepreneur. So, bakit ba kailangan yan? Siyempre, para ma-assess natin yung sarili natin kung ready na ba tayo to put up a business. So, second one, so this one, learning task 2, which is under pa rin ng pretest. So, multiple choices pa rin, 5 items. No need to copy the questions, only the answer. Okay? Next, activity. Learning task 3, activity 1, needs versus wants. So, on my previous video, I explained about the difference between needs and wants. So now, what you're going to do with this activity, you need to identify whether these following are under needs or wants, like yung clothing, jewelries or accessories, education, travel, and food. Okay, next, learning task number 4. So this one is which is suitable for you. Read and identify the type of business suitable for each scenario. So there are 5 scenarios given in this activity. So what you're going to do, you need to analyze kung ano ba yung suitable business para dun sa scenario ng bawat isa. So, no need to copy, just answer only. Next. So, learning task 5, identify your skills and interests. So, first one, list down in each box of your interest that you want to begin, explore, or continue. So, take note 5. So, kailangan mag-isip tayo ng 5 na interesado tayo. Okay, next, list down 10 skills you want to continue and develop. So, what are those skills? So, base doon kanina sa pre-assessment ninyo, yung kauna-unahan na table, so, alin ba doon yung mga kailangan nyo pang skills na ide-develop pa or patuloy nyo pang gagawin para at least ma-identify nyo pa rin kung talagang pwede na kayo mag-put up ng isang business. Okay? And then, last one, list down 5 to 10 career fields or occupation job titles that interest you. 5 to 10. Okay. Ano ba yung mga gusto mo maging trabaho in the future? Okay. Magbigay ka ng 5 na kung ano yung interesado ka or 10. Okay po. Next. So, for learning task number 3, your idea. So, answer the following questions in paragraph form. Write your answer in separate sheet of paper. So, what are your interests, hobbies, and skills? So, ano ba yung mga kinahihiligan mo? Ano ba yung mga skills mo? Ano ba yung mga hobbies mo? Next, what business do you have in mind which is related to your interests or hobbies or skills? Ano ba yung mga sinulat mong skills, interests, and hobbies? So, magbigay ka ngayon ng business na pwede mong i-put up when it comes to those hobbies and skills. Okay? Where will you locate your business? So, saan mo put up yung business mo? Saan mo itatayo yung business mo? Saang lugar ba? Okay? Next, what goods, service will you provide? Next, who is your target client or market? Sino ba yung mga gusto mong customer na bumili sa'yo? And how will you sell your product? So, is it online? Is it face-to-face? Or magkakaroon ka ng iba't ibang advertisements? So, by answering these questions, these are the rubrics. So, just read na lang yung rubrics kung paano namin i-scorean yung inyong answer. Okay, next. So, for learning task number 7, which is vicinity map. So, you're going to draw a vicinity map. So, much better if you will put this one in extra bond paper, short bond paper. So, this is just an example of vicinity map. Okay, now that you have all the information needed, are you ready to test your ability to generate your own business idea? If your answer is yes, start creating a business vicinity map showing your target market in your community. Indicate in your map the location of your business as well as other establishments near it. Okay po. So, ito naman yung sample na vicinity map. So, you can take a look at this one. And these are the rubrics on how we're going to rate your vicinity map. Okay, so mas maganda, mas malinis yung ating ito-drawing. Kailangan maging creative tayo. And yung concept natin ay maayos. Okay, next. And learning task number 8, post-test. So, all you have to do is to answer these questions. Just answer only. No need to copy the questions. Next. Learning task number 9, my learning. So, this is just only the reflection of what you have done in lesson number 1. So, you need to answer these questions. What did you learn from this lesson? So, what did you realize after finishing the lesson? What is your plan after this lesson? So, use the following prompts for your opening statement. So, you need to answer this opening statement. I learned that, blah, 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 blah. I realized that. I plan to. And to put score on how we're going to put score on your answer. So, these are the rubrics. Okay po. If you don't have any question, much better. So, if you have questions, you may message me in my messenger account. Okay, so that would be all, and wait for my next discussion about lesson number 2 in entrepreneurship. Thank you and God bless. Stay safe.